Today, we will reveal the process of making organic pigment products. From the selection of raw materials to the final quality inspection out of the warehouse, every step is crucial. Firstly, the first step is the preparation of raw materials. The main components of organic pigments are various carbon-containing compounds like anilines, phenols, and phthalocyanine compounds. Selecting raw materials of high purity is the basis for ensuring pure color and consistent quality in the final product. These raw materials need to be weighed, screened, and processed to ensure that their purity meets production standards. In a chemical reactor, raw materials are subjected to tightly controlled reaction conditions to produce colored organic pigments. For example, brightly colored Azo pigments can be produced by coupling reactions. Precise control of temperature, pressure, and reaction time ensures that the color and properties of each batch of pigment are optimized. After the reaction, the pigment slurry is filtered and washed several times to remove residual impurities. Subsequently, the pigments are dried by means of spray drying equipment, and the pigments are made into powders or granules. Finally, these granules are crushed to the required fineness to ensure that the pigments are evenly dispersed in different media. The last is quality testing. We will carry out strict testing on each batch of pigments. The first is chromaticity test to ensure the accuracy and consistency of the pigment color. In the laboratory, we not only test the chromaticity and particle size of the pigments, but also carry out water solubility and water emulsification tests to ensure that the pigments can be well dispersed in aqueous media. In addition, we carry out vibration defoaming tests to ensure that the pigments do not produce excessive foam under different conditions, which can affect their effectiveness. These tests ensure that our organic pigments perform well in a wide range of applications. After strict process and quality testing, organic pigment products are finally shaped. They're widely used in coatings, plastics, inks, and other fields, providing rich colors and excellent performance. Every step of the way, from the selection of raw materials, to the core production, to the multiple quality tests in the laboratory, guarantees the superior quality of the organic pigments. Thank you for watching. We look forward to bringing you more colors and creativity.